Hi friends, now I am going to show how to make a 2-in-1 toy boat. The requirements are double-sided DC motor along with 2 pulley on both sides, then 2 big size of pulleys, 4 toy wheels, a small plastic box, 2 bottle caps, plastic caps, a small switch and 2 metal rods, that means shaft, and an empty refill, two AA batteries along with a holder and a small size of thermocol sheet. That's it. At very first, take the thermocol sheet and cut into a boat shape like this. Now take the empty refill and cut a small size of this. Then cut another small size of this. Insert the it's like this. Then please keep this. Then stick it using the glue gun. Next, we are going to cut in this area in order to adding the pulley in the shaft. Let's start. Now I have made the 2 holes. Now take the shaft and we are going to insert 2 pulley in this shaft. So take the pulley and insert a rubber band. Take another pulley and insert a rubber band. Now insert the wheels and insert the shaft into the back. Now the car model is set. Next, take the motor and battery holder and switch and connect the components as per the circuit diagram. Now we are going to place the motor in this area. Wait for some minute. Now connect 2 pulleys with rubber band. Now we are going to test our circuit. It works perfectly. Now we are going to make the propeller like this. We need 2 propeller in order to run our boat. First, take the bottle caps and make cuts in 5 edges like this. Can you see? Then next take the plastic box and cut on one side. Then take the side part and cut small size of parts like this. Cut 5 parts. Now take the bottle cap and insert all the plastic parts like this. Make some space in the center part. Then fill the gaps using the glue gun. Finally place the empty refill in the center side of the propeller. Now 2 propellers are ready. Now connect the propellers on the both side of the motor shaft. That's it. If you are going to run this boat on water, then remove the rubber bands like this. Then it can be run easily on the water.